క్లాసెస్ కోసం సంప్రదించవలసిన మా చిరునామా ANA న్యూస్ ఛానల్ ఓల్డ్ ఆర్టీఓ ఆఫీస్ మహబూబ్నగర్ జిల్లా. మీరు సంప్రదించవలసిన మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్లు 9502612340.
Online classes is just a call away.
విద్యార్థుల భవిష్యత్తుకు బాటలు వేస్తూ మునుపెన్నడూ ఎరుగని అత్యుత్తమమైన ఫలితాలతో అద్భుతమైన విద్యా ప్రమాణాలతో ముందుకు దూసుకుపోతోంది శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల. మహబూబ్నగర్ జిల్లా కేంద్రంలో ప్రముఖులు అనుభవజ్ఞులైన చైర్మన్ జగపతిరావు ఆధ్వర్యంలో 2011లో స్థాపించబడిన మా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల ఉన్నతమైన విద్యా ప్రమాణాలతో ఇంజనీరింగ్, మెడికల్లో చక్కని ర్యాంకుల సాధనలో విజయం వైపుగా కృషి చేస్తోంది. ఇంజనీరింగ్ అయినా, మెడికల్ అయినా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల విద్యార్థులదే పై చేయి. ఇంటర్ తో పాటు IIT, NEET, MSET నందు లాంగ్ టర్మ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ద్వారా కార్పొరేట్ కళాశాలలో 20 సంవత్సరాల అనుభవం కలిగిన అధ్యాపక బృందంచే ప్రత్యేక శిక్షణ తరగతులు నిర్వహిస్తూ డైలీ ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్స్, వీక్లీ టెస్ట్, కౌన్సిలింగ్ ద్వారా విద్యార్థుల నైపుణ్యం మెరుగుపరచడం మా ప్రత్యేకత. హ్యాండ్బాల్, ఫుట్బాల్, క్రికెట్ లో మా విద్యార్థులు జాతీయ క్రీడాకారులుగా గుర్తింపు పొందుతున్నారు. జిల్లా కేంద్రంలో సొంత భవనాలలో కళాశాలలు, విద్యార్థులకు ఉదయం సాయంత్రం వేళలో స్టడీ అవర్స్, IIT, NEET లో ప్రముఖుల నిపుణులచే విద్యా బోధన, బాలికల కోసం ప్రత్యేక క్యాంపస్, MPC, BIPC గ్రూప్లతో కో-ఎడ్యుకేషన్, MPC, BIPC, MEC, CEC గ్రూప్లతో గర్ల్స్ క్యాంపస్, MPC, BIPC గ్రూప్లతో పాటు IIT, NEET, MSET లతో అకాడమీ.
I am Mariam Makbul. I passed out from Shraddha Junior College in 2017 from BIPC. Currently, I have passed out from Tata Institute of Social Sciences. I finished my bachelor's. So one thing which is very striking about this institute is the immense and genuine amount of effort that the team of faculty puts and takes up for the success of students and their prosperity. And another thing that is very remarkable about this place is they ignited in me the spirit of competitiveness, which is very necessary in this globally evolving market world. There was one Sanskrit slok which I learnt when I was very young. Udhyame nahi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishyanti mukhe mruga. This means you cannot just achieve anything just by thinking of it. You need to put in effort. That is what I have learnt from this institute. Like, even though lion is king of jungle, it has to hunt for its own prey, which is what I have learnt from Shraddha Junior College.
I am Uday Kiran. I have completed my intermediate in Shraddha Junior College in 2019 and I have joined Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology and I scored my JEE Mains percentile as 98.19 and due to some other problems I didn't join NIT and I have scored my MSET rank as 4500. And here the lecturers take the special care with each and every student.
సీనియర్ మరియు జూనియర్ ఇంటర్ అడ్మిషన్ల కోసం సంప్రదించవలసిన మా చిరునామా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల, కో-ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్యాంపస్, మెట్టుగడ్డ. మీరు సంప్రదించవలసిన మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9494430200. ప్రత్యేకమైన గర్ల్స్ క్యాంపస్ కోసం సంప్రదించవలసిన మా చిరునామా ఆపోజిట్ పంచవటి హోటల్, న్యూ టౌన్, మహబూబ్నగర్. మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 7337294653. IIT, NEET అకాడమీ కోసం సంప్రదించవలసిన మా చిరునామా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల, మెట్టుగడ్డ. మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9491629962.
Good morning to everybody. You are welcome. Online botany class, second year. So there is the second chapter we are going to continue. So remaining topic we will discuss here, the mineral nutrition. Mineral nutrition in the plants. So various aspects we discussed in last classes. So in last class we discussed the deficiency symptoms of the mineral nutrients. So movable, immovable elements, the symptoms are vary. Same time, a deficiency of mineral may cause multiple symptoms. Multiple symptoms may caused by the different elements. So because of that, one has to know each and every item, every symptom, and compare the available table. At the same time, the micronutrients which causes some physiological diseases, mottle leaf, branch leaves, and whiptail, rotten of the root, then mouse ear. So same time, the deficiency of the excess of micronutrient cause toxicity. The moderate decrease of the micronutrient causes deficiency symptoms, shows a deficiency symptom. The moderate increase of the micronutrients shows toxicity. There is a narrow range of concentration between the toxicity and deficiency symptoms. So the micronutrients which reduce the dry weight of tissue up to 10%, the excess of the micronutrient which reduce the dry weight of the tissue, then it is called toxicity. So generally toxicity may caused by the excess of mineral nutrients. So for example, manganese, the excess of manganese shows the symptoms of deficiency symptoms of magnesium and calcium, iron, because which compete with these elements not to obtain from the soil. Because of that, actual symptoms of magnesium, iron, calcium by the excess of micronutrient manganese. So at the same time, we discussed what is the mechanism of absorption of the mineral nutrients from the soil into root. It is takes place two methods: active method, passive method. Passive method, free movement of the ions into free space, that is apoplast. Active method, so which takes place very slow into the symplast. So without consuming the energy, according to concentration gradient, the mineral ions are moved into the outer space, apoplast. There is a passive transport. Symplast through the plasma membrane, that is takes place to and from against the concentration by consuming the ATPA. So that is a active transport. Then the translocation of mineral nutrients from root to the various parts of the stem takes place xylem by aiding the transpiration pull. Now today we shall discuss in continuation, soil is the reservoir of mineral elements. Mineral elements. The soil is the reservoir of mineral elements which are made available to the plant at a roots in dissolved state by the process of weathering and breaking of rocks. The rocks are break and weathering. Removal of minute particles from the surface of rock is called weathering. By the process of weathering and breaking, the mineral nutrients are made available to the plant at the root in dissolved state. The process of breaking and weathering of the mineral nutrients and form into a dissolved inorganic and organic solutes, inorganic, organic nutrients for the plants. The mineral ions which are obtained, the mineral ions, the nutrients, the mineral nutrients, the nutrient elements which are obtaining from the minerals which involve in plant nutrition, then it is called mineral nutrition. That is called mineral nutrition. The mineral elements are obtained from the mineral nutrients are obtained from the nutrients or the essential nutrients are obtained from the minerals for the plant, then it is called mineral nutrition. So the minerals are make available for the plant in organic, inorganic and dilute state. So the soil is not only reservoir for mineral elements. It is the harbor of nitrogen fixing microbes and other microbe, and it holds the water. And aeration and act as a matrix to establish the plants. Soil is not only reservoir for mineral nutrients, it is the harbor of nitrogen fixing microbes, other microbes, and water holds. It holds the water and aeration and matrix to stabilize the plant. So sometimes the deficiency of minerals occur. When the deficiency of minerals occur in the soil, it can be supplemented as fertilizers. So the mineral deficiencies occur in the soil, so it is supplemented as fertilizers by farmer. For macro and micronutrients are used as fertilizers to supplement the soil or to remove the deficiency of soil. So that is for nitrogen, potassium, phosphorus, sulfur, same time minerals, micronutrients, zinc, molybdenum, manganese, etc. So that is the soil is the reservoir of. Now we shall discuss the next subtopic, nitrogen metabolism. In this next content, the next subtopic is nitrogen metabolism. Apart from carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, the nitrogen is also a privileged mineral element for plant growth, for biological activity, metabolic activity of the plant. So the nitrogen is observed. The plants are observed the nitrogen in the form of nitrous oxides. So nitrous oxides. So in the form of nitrous oxides. So both the plants are compete with the microbes. To utilize the available nitrogen. The plants are compete with the microbes to utilize available nitrogen. So the nitrogen in the nature, the nitrogen is diatom molecule firmly bind with the covalent bond, covalent bond. So the plants are observed in the form of nitrous oxide. Naturally, the molecular nitrogen is converted into the conversion of molecular nitrogen into nitrous oxide, nitrite, nitrate or ammonium is known as nitrogen metabolism. Nitrogen metabolism. This is the process. Naturally, the nitrogen is converted into nitrous oxide, nitrous monoxide, nitrite, nitrate, ammonia. The phenomenon is called nitrogen metabolism. Nitrogen metabolism. So, the plants are observed in the form of nitrous oxides, that nitrous monoxide, nitrite, nitrate, ammonium in the form of nitrogen. So, naturally, the nitrogen is present in the form of molecular nitrogen, so diatom nitrogen, which is bound firmly with coordinate covalent bond. So, the nitrogen is conversion of the nitrogen, molecular nitrogen is nitrous oxide form, then it is called nitrogen metabolism. So, the molecular nitrogen is converted into nitrous oxides by lightenings. The molecular nitrogen is converted into nitrogen by nitrogenous compounds, that is the nitrous oxide lightenings.